Meghalaya bong longle hoy puthak Chief Minister level kachingbai.
And we decided to meet.
Give and take policy amendment pen karbiang longalong le jongsi kacharai je phan kabor I pulote sodak te song ponji pusi case e kachingkri. Koilamati pen lokhon hanse hichi ka chelenga to war pinier ni anta selam lela. Kardom pini prime time birta long pen ni lisami jerbon kilingpi nonar joik tha birtang ton pen. Assam Meghalaya hoy puthak jakhong ni phaing ko rake thomar ni Shillong along chingwai det pen pini puthot ave kirui thomai Guwahati rong supi staff college along Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma pen Assam Chief Minister Dr Himanta Biswa Sarmang bong kachingwai padu ponthu Pinyanarlo por phai krehinia por Guwahati Staff College along Jasamet Assam pen Meghalaya hoy puthak Chief Minister level kachingwai padupon bangso kachingwai ponahut Assam Meghalaya hoy along lelam ki kidu long krehiniang bong pen keteng si long trogalam ki kidu adim along si langchari dam paprangpo keteng si ke langchari dam jadim lake Tarabari Hahim Boklapara Gijan Khanapara Pilingkata lapen ke Rata Chera hendo bangso hoy along ke langchari dam japan state hini penta regional committee sengponpo Regional Committee hen pen alam ki ke doa hoylong lealong langchari dam thupo Regional Committee hen pen alam ki ke doa hoylong lealong langchari dam thupo Regional Committee hen pen ke langchari dam ko pi ko sonsi ke theklong ma bangso puthak ni thom ke bangbong pi pa jir pon thupo bangso ka chingbai hut Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma pen kanin je pona tengke hin state upon man pen ka chi pi pensi siding pona ko bangso hoylam ki ke do vera puthak pachun pon veknang po pusi ni je pon
That was held on the 23rd of July in Shillong, and we decided to meet after that meeting today on 6th of August in Guwahati. We are very happy that the meeting was a very constructive, a very positive meeting that we had. We have been very clear from both the governments that we want to resolve the areas of differences and the disputes that are there between the two states. It has been very long, and a lot of people have suffered in different areas because of these differences that have existed. Therefore, there is a very strong political will to find an amicable solution to these areas of differences. Number two, we have also agreed that whatever we do, it must be done in a respectful manner, and both the states need to respect each other. Today in the meeting, we had a detailed presentation given by the government of Assam on 6 of the areas of the differences that are there out of 12. The strategy which both the state governments have agreed to follow is to take up these matters in a phase-wise manner. So there are areas which are slightly lesser complicated, some slightly more, and some very complicated. So therefore, we would like to resolve these issues by taking the disputes or the areas of differences in a phase-wise manner. Therefore, we have decided that 6 areas out of the 12. 1. Tarabari, 2. Gizang, 3. Hahim, 4. Boklapara, 5. Khanapara Pilankata, and 6. Ratachera. Out of these 12 areas of differences, these 6 areas is what we have decided that we will move towards finding an amicable solution to these. In the interest of ensuring that it's done in a much faster manner, we have also decided that there will be regional committees that will be formed by both the states, which will be headed by a cabinet minister. So we have 3 regions where these 6 areas of differences fall in. So in these 3 regions, we have 3 committees from Meghalaya and 3 committees from Assam, and both will be headed, or I should say both sides will be headed, each committee will be headed by one cabinet minister. And we have decided also that we will focus on number 1, historical facts, number 2, ethnicity, Number 3, administrative convenience. Number 4, willingness and the overall sense of the people's sentiments. And number 5, contiguity. Based on these 5 areas or these 5 terms, we will try to find a way forward. And we have urged these committees.
Lapu Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma kaning Jepon, Shillong pen Guwahati along Kachingwai pen Misen alam the long ponlo. La pen kitching si kelang cari dam jadim, la ke long trokalam ki ke dua dim si tampo. Lapu Assam hin pen langdam lo pulote, Kachar District, Kamrup Metro la pen Kamrup District along. Halapu Meghalaya hin pen abangke, West Khasi Hills, Ribhoi District la pen East Jaintia along pen pusi ning Jepon.
That all these 12 disputes cannot be resolved at a time. So we have to take a step-by-step approach. In the last meeting held in Shillong, Government of Meghalaya had given a presentation flagging their perspective on the issues. Today, Government of Assam has given a presentation highlighting our point of view. Basically, after threadbare discussion, both in Shillong and Guwahati, we found that it will be good if we start with 6 locations. Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya has already indicated what are those 6 locations. From Assam side, these are in Kachar district, Kamrup Metro and Kamrup district. From Meghalaya side, it is in West Khasi Hills, Ribhoi and East Jaintia Hills. So what we have done, for these 3 districts, we have taken the name of Meghalaya for the purpose of reference. So there will be a regional committee which will be headed by a cabinet minister from Meghalaya side, which will be headed by a cabinet minister from Assam side, and the 3 regional committees will be there to resolve dispute which are there for West Khasi Hills, Ribhoi and East Jaintia Hills. Now, this committee will also include bureaucrats and maybe the local representative. We have decided that from both sides, committee will be constituted with 5 members. Now it is up to the Government of Meghalaya to notify that 5 names, and of course from Assam side we will also notify the 5 names. These 10 people who will be nominated by each of the government will in turn visit the sites, interact with the civil society, Gaon Bura, Panchayat members, teachers and other civil society members. They will complete their discussion within a period of 30 days, because as after the presentation from both sides, we realize that this may not be a very complex matter.
Bangso long le hoi ki thir tip Japan puthot ni thom ke ba pi ka chingwai padu pon thu popusi pherang ke amai long pen pachini pon. News report Karbiang Live. Adui hoilam ke long kai ke mat karjap dun thipen inchi sita Karbiang long le bang phan pekun epu ke ACCM tuliram rong hang kaning che pon veralong non Meghalaya pen give and take policy ke deng along tame ke AC pen ison back aside deng ponsi karjap dun thit ke nang sot pusi KSE pen kachuniri. Assam pen Meghalaya Chief Minister Tumangbong ahoilam ke phuthak kachingwai hut give and take policy ke deng jok non malong Meghalaya pen West Karbiang long adui hoilong kahuri saya sonsi nang dolo. Lasong bong pini KSE pen pherang ke amai ke phahut KSE bidisar lai chaning leng kaning je tengke ahoilam ke phuthak pupu state sarkar mong kachingwai long nilitum kipudunji thangalam ave bonta give and take policy mate kipi ke deng men pen jongsi Karbiang long le nang kachirai je phan kabor ipadu pulote nitum du joyje athe Meghalaya long leta nitum chirai dam de la pen nitum long leta Meghalaya tum nang chirai long le pusi sodak pen pachini pon
teloge kintu Meghalaya amar Karbiang long mati দখল কৰাৰ চেষ্টা কৰিছিলে যে বিশেষকৈ যোৱা 4 তাৰিখ চিনথং সমষ্টি এৰিয়া মেঘালয় চৰকাৰ আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ কৰ্মচাৰীবিলাকে কাৰ্বি আংলং তেওঁলোকে মাটি দখল কৰাৰ প্ৰচেষ্টাত চেষ্টা কৰিছিলে, কিন্তু তাৎক্ষণিকভাৱে তাত অঞ্চল থকা বিভিন্ন জাতি জনগোষ্ঠী আৰু বিশেষকৈ কাৰ্বি ছাত্ৰ সন্থাসকলে তেওঁলোকে বাধা কৰাৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত তেওঁলোকে আকৌ নিজে মেঘালয় কাৰ্বি আংলং সোমাব নিদিয়াৰ কাৰণে তেওঁলোকে বাহিৰত যাবলগীয়া হৈছে। আমি এটা কথা ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ যে বিশেষকৈ অসম তথা
Perangke amai long ingle sang hukaning je thuke Meghalaya soratum aphong Karbi Anglong long le nagache rajya phan kabor ipadu pono lasila so sai prabjin pen ington nangpu jongse ington te pulote kewang journey case e pen danglok kachirab duna song do an kache song asai ding nang kok poputa ingle sang hu pangdak ponsi non give and take policy chief minister atum pangdak pon therapita KAC atum ke dodun kliba bangke blog si pen blog hinia long le Meghalaya sora phan ke pek ponja phan tong kache kroidun do maputa pon the memelo lasila son pulote nilitumke mantuneta chekoidon thekte puta pangdakpo
যদি লয় তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি কোনো পথে কাৰ্বি ছাত্ৰ সন্থাই আমি মানি ল'ব নোৱাৰোঁ। আৰু লগতে এটা কথা ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ, যদি আমাৰ সাহিত্য পৰিষদৰ মুখ্য কাৰ্যবাহিনী সদস্য তুলিৰাম ৰহাং ছাৰে বাৰম্বাৰ সীমা সমস্যা সমাধানৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আগবাঢ়ে, আমি তাক ছাপোৰ্ট কৰোঁ, কিন্তু এইবাৰ যে মেঘালয়ৰ লগত যিটো সমস্যা হৈছে তাতো কিন্তু সাহিত্য পৰিষদে ষ্ট্ৰংলি তেনে পলিচি লৈ পেলাই 1 ইঞ্চি মাটি নিদিয়াৰ যি বক্তব্য ৰাখিছে তেনে স্থিতি তেওঁলোকে বাহাল ৰাখিব লাগে বুলি আমি আমাৰ ফালৰ পৰা দাবী কৰিব বিচাৰোঁ। আৰু আমি ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ আজিলৈকেও চিনথং সমষ্টি যিটো বৰ্তমান MAC EM তেখেতো এতিয়ালৈকে বক্তব্য ৰখা নাই বা তেওঁলোকে যিখিনি পদক্ষেপ ল'ব লাগিছিল লোৱা নাই। নিজস্ব তাত লোকেল MAC হিচাপে তাত স্থায়ীয় ৰাইজে দল সংগঠনবিলাকে তাত থাকিব নোৱাৰা তেওঁলোকে প্ৰটেষ্ট কৰি আছে, কিন্তু তাত যিজন MAC
halapua hoilong kahuri hangjo hanghaya pita jinthong local MAC ke dodun joy bangke ninging samse puta Perangke amai long inglenga sang hu pangdak pontu
1 block 2 la so alam dong abstract seperti press meet kalau block 1 block 2 alam polote lagi lam chemical ilo since 1951 kalau so pensi la so alam plan lo sita non neda chairman pe kalau pu Meghalaya chief minister pe Assam chief minister bangke neda chairman lo Meghalaya chief minister bangke neda long convener Latuang bang cimilai pen Assam Karbi Anglong le thagi la Karbi lo chari Assam pen ke proikre pen jongsi Karbi Anglong ahoy long inchi sibang na lode pulote lase BJP sarkar ke japon party adai chennai si Karbi lo chari
Anglong le nang ke thiji phan nang tum kabor i pen nang tum Karbi Anglong arlo nang kilo ti phanang tum banglo aso ke bang ahot nirtum Karbi chorle asom lapan hadat burkha student union do lapan cinthong youth development committee lapan kapre kada social relation tum chelang pensi alang tum phan Karbi Anglong arlo nang padu tong ledat do hadat sabuda lo isi inter district inter state border so border hada masi per masi lang tum hada ko ase tili Khiliungang, Modalungang, lapen umru, lahir orang si alang tunon na upati phan Meghalaya government mangke jojo pen government dulu. Nasi nasolong hadap elected MBC lo cinthong consensus lang atai. Roti berangpi alang li premier ni anta border alang li hadap premier anta lo so lam the alang li la so border cara kami han mangke premier anta alang
News report Sarjip Kathar, Karbi Anglong Live. Nilip constituency ke parlo koilamati pen lokhon hanse hithian ka challenge to war kahin upar pe ka jok bihabe par claim ba tum ka siksa Nilip constituency Jasamet Inglongar lo hawar ke dwara ratum ingtimen thua phan chotta thoi an ke bang ji phan mate hithielong kenang sora hormunang ka chunam dun ji phan arni si kalite ninian bag do dera phisi ingtie borvet setame leji lahai ke sumu buthak Nilip constituency MAC Pobitro rong pia hinpen matha parsik ponsi lokhon hanse rongalong Inglongar lo ka jo ke dwara ratum pharman irui pen phom tarni ke cho hithi ingpu pidamlo Hitia banke do koklo bonta kachileng to wara bank kahin uthu par pikajok silonijan koilamati chokihola la pen bogijan pen ke dam chojor cholang mate behabe par claim bangatum thedunga ka siksak do koklo la silokon han se rong hithi kai keta pareng pon verji pulote KAC kachari pon bom asongja potum ta inglongar loga jo ke dwara tuma phan matha pon rintira prabjin pen ke mesena to war selam pipona sonte besenji Koilamati pen Samsonic D Carbiano Live. Nihang nire badang kache thangklong tara langso mate Karbi People's Whole Along KCS ahin pen chepadu ponsi adimaklong pamat ponsi isi lang mesen ki joy kelang adim pinchong ponlo. Ki joy kelang adim pulote lang ke soy joy Kiju nadim ta kido kenang sot pumatha ponsi pini KCS amai pu Chandra Singh Kro rideng pen langlo mamandu ing pupon. Karbi risonim so ronga jelong klam tara lang so long ta non ke ninging samjin pen jui pon long lo pinpur da me thang thang chiklo KYF juddera philote keter ke arpen dang lok ningkan kang thim ta nampi namdur nang mandet si thek pon long bom lo bangso buthap KCS ahin pen RDP ponsi kedam tang ja khong chiklo surhini ra ingkoi rai simate pining aning kan pen abangke adimak long along kapang thira sai claim ponsi isi mesen ki jui kelang adim pinchong pon lo Bangso phi kedam tang pai pai ni phai siar ni pena bangke madu le ki jui kelang phandam setame anam pi pensi ludam nang popusi KCS ahin pen pangrak ponlo bonta ki jui kelang adim pulote lang ke soi joy ki jun krukjia phanta adimak lom ke do kenang sotpu KCS ahin pen matha ponsi pini lang loma mandu pu isi lang ke so ki juna mandu setame KCS amai pu Chandra Singh Kro ahin pensi ingpu ponlo Bangso lang loma mandu along lang kang sam lang ke dok lang ke sola pen kaprek o sumara tum ke chogi juna sona mungta longji lang loma mandu nona mat ke KCS sai hem chun bang suren han se pensi chepahem phu ponlo bangso lang loma mandu kang pualong KCS chun bang Vidya Singh rompi dunmai phu hum sing be pen chenglok KCS claim bang phuatum chetong do News report Bikram Pro Carbiano Live Hauraghat Sport Association Auditorium Hall along kedam tang pai pai ni phai pho arni ingdeng ke thom Hauraghat BJP Mondal Mohila Morcha claim bang amai kapangni Hauraghat BJP Mondal Mohila Morcha mai phi sathi acharya hin pen kachari pona mailong KAC okpran kilang IEM khonsing rongpi aluhi sar po man pen chetong ru laso hut man peng pen District Mohila Morcha kongchun bangpi Rina Terangpi VDC Chairman Ganesh Singh hi pen danglok penangan Mohila Morcha long kacharap duna bang phietum chetong ru Mailong Jasamet BJP song kapang tang ponche phan son suryalam the chithan chimum padu ponsi nangkele jin ingkan suri hinira ingkoi ra hinian ingkan kapadu ponji MSC bang phukang wai hut Hauraghat constituency penta ke ongdunga vote pen BJP phan pahai pon vekji pusi Mohila Morcha tum lamchak tipi ponlo Halapualu hisar poman pen kachetong dun EM khonsing rong pikaning je tengke kedam tang MLA kiliga prang non ki khibom Assam Chief Minister Dr Himanta Biswa Sarma hin pen kapagdak pon microfinance alun ke en suarlo tumdo anaphan kitu PG polam the kaning je puthak anso se pachun edje phansi claim pon lopusi EM rong piasang ho pen pangdak pon
আৰু এটা উদ্দেশ্য হ'ল যে আমি মহিলা সরকারে যি মহিলার কারণে দি আছে ব্যবস্থা আৰু আঁচনিবিলাক আমি বহুত সুখীয়া আমি সকলো মহিলা তেখেতক সঁহাৰি জনাইছোঁ আমাৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডাঙৰীয়া আৰু আশা যে আগন্তুক কাউন্সিল ইলেকশ্যনৰ সময়ত আমি বৰ্তমান আমাৰ হাওড়াঘাট যি EM আছে তেখেতৰ নেতৃত্বত আমি ধুনীয়া আগবাঢ়ি আছোঁ আৰু ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট ষ্টেট Mondo committee ka to kami dito silang pensi dito jadi ben Muhammad kita coba lapan sini kami kon pabito so kasi wai tadi dito padokono lapen dito non ibang scheme mo khas kami dito adon tin ipalong eji dito kita naran ko phan dito scheme ka ipalong ko eji phata dito kon di sini to supaya ponito lapen ini to kadang-kadang scheme sini dong ma non ke dong elang kami aku non ke palong ko ji bisa hekoi jala
Havar ke hapen Harsing Ropi Karbiang live. Tangte pini prime time birta ke la ponsi kang tonik lo dumi thak me kardong.